everybody, welcome back to my channel. And yes, can you guess where my car is? Yes, a lot's happened in the last couple of months. I think the last video I uploaded was on the 20th of December. It's now getting into the second, nearly third week of February, so I think I owe you an update. So at the minute, I'm on the way to collect my car because it's gone in for its MOT. Yes, I've not been able to do any work to the car for probably 3 months now, so let's see how it did. Here we go, I'm at the garage, I'm back in my car, it started. Huge shout out to Swanage Tyres and Tuning for doing my car for me. To update everybody, it's actually failed its MOT, but only on 2 points. One of them was a control arm, which I could hear knocking, and the other thing was the CV boot gator, which is one of the things I said. And at the minute, I'm not in a position to be able to repair the car myself, so I'm going to bring the car back in a couple of days' time, and they're going to do it for me, and all should be sweet. So yeah, I'll do a quick update on me once I get home and explain why I can't do the repairs myself. But yeah, pretty good though. Here we go, I'm back home with the car. As I said just now, the car will be going back in 2 days time, excluding today. And obviously it will be having the work done that's needed. Now, as for myself, you would have heard in my previous video, I touched on the fact that I'd had a growth discovered in my descending colon. Yes, now, a lot has happened in a couple of months, an awful lot. It actually turned out that I had malignant cancer in my bowel. It was actually stage 3B, so pretty serious. And what effectively happened was I was in hospital for a week. I had a 7-hour operation. There was a little bit touch and go because these things do happen. And effectively what they've done is they've removed a section of my colon. Now, for those that don't know, the colon is a piece of pipe that basically runs between your stomach and your bowel. My descending section has been removed, so yes, that does mean that I have a stoma on my left-hand side. Now, the plan is, originally, 3 to 6 months, they were going to reverse it. That's now looking like a year. But, you know, I'm hopeful. They've said it's reversible, and they will basically reattach the piece that they removed up here down here somewhere. So my body works as normal. It's just when I go to toilet, I go to basically poop in a bag. Yes. And it's taking a lot of getting used to. Where they actually opened me up, I think I had 5 or 6 incision points. 5 of them were keyholes. One of them was quite major, and it went right across the center of my stomach. That's actually a 6 weeks recovery on that alone. And it's been 4 weeks since the op. And obviously it's a few more weeks. I've actually been advised, I should really flip the camera around, shouldn't I? It's been advised to me that I don't do anything strenuous or any lifting for about 6 months. Yes, a long time. But because I've had sutures, which is stitches, on the inside of my stomach, and I've also had them on the external side of my stomach. And I mean, we're talking, you know, it's quite a big scar, and there's also a circular part, lots of stuff that I won't film because, as I say, I'll probably get banned or demonetized, and my 20p a month from YouTube will disappear. But yeah, so it's a long recovery. I've not been at work now for 4 weeks, including the week of the surgery, and I've just had an extension done on my sick note, which means I'm going to be off for a couple of weeks and then probably return on light duties. Yeah, so a lot's been going on. I've not done a couple of my radio shows. I've just been unable to do that. And it's only literally been in the last few days that I've been able to walk and sit in my car and press the pedals.
One eternity later.
There we go, it's Sunday and I'm back at Swanage Tyres and Tuning, dropping off my car. They're going to be doing it tomorrow, which is Monday, and hopefully they will sort out the drive shaft boot and a control arm that's a little bit tired. And hopefully, other than that, I should get a call Monday or probably Tuesday morning just to say my car's ready to collect. So yeah, wonderful people. Anyway, let's update you when I get the car back. There we go. My car is back home. Yep. Looking forward to being able to drive it. And yeah, it went through its MOT. They passed it. They actually replaced the control arm down this side, and they also replaced the CV boot on the drive shaft on this side. Apparently the drive shaft was stuck in, which isn't uncommon on these cars, so they had to give it a bit of clout. The advisories again with the tyres, because my tyres are actually cracked and the rear trailing arms are actually the bushes are a bit worn. But they gave me an advisory on that last year. The car's only done, well, it's done less than 3,000 miles in a year, so yeah, not very much. But as I say, as the sun comes out, I'm looking forward to being able to get out and get driving in it. And it's just nice to have it back on the drive, which is really good. Anyway, just a brief bit of an update on what's going on with me and with the car. If you like the video, give it a like. And obviously, hopefully, in the next couple of months, I'll be able to return to making more great car content. And I may finally get my front splitter on.